Hi Priyansh,
Hi Shruti,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. So tell me, what were your career aspirations while pursuing BTech?
So initially, when I was in my BTech phase, I wanted to work in R&D. I felt that I would have been more suitable towards the R&D sector, but it seems life had other plans for me.
Okay. So with no existing name of NAMTECH and iPMP, what made you choose it?
So after bachelor's, what happened was I had actually gotten placed, but I worked there as an intern in that company for around 6 months. But I felt that there was something lacking in my life, and I couldn't get the thrill in the job. So I told them I will not join full time, and I said that I'm. They asked me for a reason, and I told them that I'm looking for a thrill, and they were laughing and saying that's not what happens in reality. But I said I'll still take the risk. And then I got of NAMTECH through a newspaper advertisement. And I really understood their mission. I saw what they wanted us, what they were projecting us to be in the next 1 year. And I was very fascinated, and with some discussions with my parents, I finally decided I can take this risk. And with full support from my parents, I took this risk.
Okay. So do you believe that this program will be able to secure your career path?
So yes, definitely I would believe that. Although I have been recently placed in a company a month back. So yes, I can say confidently that yes, this has shaped my career path. So I think it was a very good decision to come here.
So tell me about your experience in Singapore during the 2 Global Immersion Program.
So it was a fascinating experience. I have been to Singapore before, as I lived there for a couple of years, but that was during my childhood. But going there again made me, relive all those memories again, my childhood memories. And this time I could spend it with my friends from NAMTECH. I enjoyed it. We learned a lot, but we also enjoyed a lot where, we went and saw a lot of new sites. We did sightseeing over there. We interacted with locals over there. We ate local food. And thanks to you, I experienced a lot of food also over there.
I know, it was so much fun.
Yes.
So how has your experience been at NAMTECH so far? Like away from home, how has it been?
So it's been a pretty good experience. I feel maybe a homesick couple of times, but because my bachelor's was also away from home, so I'm kind of used to it now. But I think when I'm in such an environment which is very study oriented and very focused towards their goal, I don't get distracted frequently. So I'm very focused towards my goal as of now, and I'm enjoying it through the help of my friends and all, and it keeps me in the pace.
So I have one final question. Are you happy here?
To be honest, I am pretty happy here. Whatever I came looking for a year ago, I think I've almost achieved that, and whatever is left, I'll achieve it.
Thank you, Priyansh.
Thank you.